Hey and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you 6 incredible ways ChatGPT can make you a better writer. Make sure you watch till the end. 1. Reduce research time to 0. ChatGPT can help you find information faster, understand complex topics. Ask ChatGPT to simulate an expert in the subject you're researching. Example: you are an expert fitness coach with rich clients. Coach me how to lose weight quickly and keep the weight off with small changes to my lifestyle. What are the main things I need to know? In bullet point. 2. Learn new ideas in half the time. Upskilling yourself is super important, but finding time to read a whole book can be hard. Ask ChatGPT to summarize a book into short chunks. Give you the key concepts the book explains. You can choose a paragraph or bullet points. Example: give me a short summary of the core concepts in the book Storyworthy by Matthew Dix. 3. Brainstorm bot. Ask ChatGPT to brainstorm new and unusual ideas for you to use your writing. This helps you find angles that other people haven't thought of. Ideal for when you want your writing to stand out. Example: topic: storytelling in online writing. For the topic above, brainstorm new angles or approaches. Prioritize ideas that are uncommon or novel. 4. Writing prompts. Ask ChatGPT to give you creative writing prompts to practice your writing. Great for if you want to think of ideas for short stories. Create practice sessions to improve your storytelling. Have writer's block. Example: give me 5 writing prompts in bullet points. Theme: futuristic dystopia. 5. Simplify your writing. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite a passage of text with a reading age of a 10-year-old. You can write a rough draft and get ChatGPT to clean it up while making it easier to understand. Example: rewrite the following paragraph of text with the reading age of a 10-year-old. 6. Summarize online articles. Ask ChatGPT to summarize online articles into short digestible bullet points. Example: summarize the following article into short bullet points. That were the 6 ways how ChatGPT can make you a better writer. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your own AI adventure.